Hi friends, welcome to my asadreview channel, AI Calendarfly. Say goodbye to expensive and recurring appointment scheduling platform like Calendly and more. First to market, never seen before AI appointment scheduling app that lets you schedule online meetings, appointments, events and calls like pro in just 60 seconds for low one-time fee. We get paid $197 every time we book a call or a meeting. Without doing any of the work, no setup, no complicated integration, no ads, commercial license. This is the only AI online appointment booking app in the market. Zero upfront cost or experience needed. With a click integrate with Google Calendar and Google Meet with no technical setup. One click embed your booking form to any website you want. Book and manage online calls, meetings, sales calls, and more with the power of AI. Automate your entire booking system with the help of AI. The only booking app that integrate with email marketing and send automated emails. Comes with a free commercial license to allow you to sell it as a service. Cancel all your expensive appointment setting apps. Use your custom branding with no restrictions. Easily integrate your favorite tracking software. Get up and running within 2 minutes. 30 days money back guarantee. Friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description. Thank you for watching my video.